Hello there everyone and welcome to Manchester Oxford Road Railway Station. And to kick things off we see the arrival of 150, 106 and 156 425, terminating with a northern service off Liverpool Lime Street. Departed out 7 minutes late for Transpennine Express is 397008, with the 1124 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport flew to Glasgow Central. Next train out to depart 6 minutes late is 769434, with the 1127 Northern service through to Southport. Next to arrive into the station is 17207, with the 1139 East Midlands Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Norwich. One in, one out now as 331101 departed the background with 8022212 arriving in the foreground. Running 6 minutes late with 1137 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Blackpool North, and running 21 minutes late with the 1124 Transpennine Express service from Edinburgh Waverley through to Manchester Airport respectively. Next arrival into the station is 331014 and 331023, running 6 minutes late with the 1143 Northern service from Blackpool North through to Manchester Airport. Next out departing 7 minutes late is 158783 and 158812, with the 1141 East Midlands Railway service from Norwich through to Liverpool Lime Street. Out next to depart 4 minutes late is 156425 and 150106, with the 1146 Northern service through to Liverpool Lime Street. Another 1 in 1 out now as 197009 and 197045 depart in the background, while 185140 and 185126 arrive in the foreground. Running 5 minutes late with the 1148 transport for Wells service from Manchester Airport through to Llandudno, and running 7 minutes late with the 1147 Transpennine Express service from Saltburn through to Manchester Airport, respectively. Next to arrive into the station is 197110, running 5 minutes late with the 1151 transport for Wells service from Llandudno through to Manchester Airport. Whilst departing in the background is 195106, running the 1153 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Windermere. Trundling, and we mean trundling into the station, is 331109, working the 12 o'clock Northern service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Manchester Airport. Departing over on the far side 8 minutes late is 323219, with the 1157 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Liverpool Lime Street. Whilst arriving 12 minutes late is 195102, with the 1156 Northern service from Windermere through to Manchester Airport. Arriving 10 minutes late under the head code 5 Tango 82 from Liverpool Lime Street through to Manchester Airport is 802206. Whilst departing in the background is 185133 and 185107, running 8 minutes late with the 1202 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport through to Saltburn. Another 1 in 1 out now as 185121 arrives, while 331028 and 331012 depart in the background. Arriving 7 minutes late with the 12:09 Transpennine Express service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Cleethorpes, and departed 8 minutes late with the 12:06 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Blackpool North, respectively. Arriving next into the station is 331025 and 331030. Arriving 6 minutes late with the 12:13 Northern service from Blackpool North through to Manchester Airport. Whilst departing in the background is 185125, running 7 minutes late with the 12:11 Transpennine Express service from Cleethorpes through to Liverpool Lime Street. Another 1 in 1 out now as 802212 departs while 397007 arrives. Departing 6 minutes late with the 12:25 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport through to Edinburgh Waverley, and arriving 10 minutes late with the 12:24 Transpennine Express service from Glasgow Central through to Manchester Airport, respectively. Arriving to terminate with a Northern service off of Liverpool Lime Street is 156441 and 156466. Arriving to terminate 23 minutes late with a Northern service off of Southport is 150123 and 156402. Arriving in the background is 158857 and 158888, working the 12:39 East Midlands Railway service from Liverpool Lime Street through to Norwich. And to take us on to our next station, here comes 331023 and 331024, working the 12:37 Northern service from Manchester Airport through to Blackpool North, running 6 minutes late. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.